Ingredients required for this smoothie are oats, milk, cocoa powder for flavor, almonds, cashew, dates, honey, chia seeds and banana. Here I have used this oats is because it is a natural and unsweetened. There is no added sugar in this, and this oats contain high fiber, good fat and small amount protein. So you have to dry roast the oats in order to make the smoothie, so that you will get a thick creamy consistency, which is very beneficial for constipation and useful in weight loss also. So next step we'll move towards dry roasting the cashew. This will give a nice flavor to your smoothie. If you don't want to roast, that is also fine. So if you're a diabetic or want to reduce the weight, add 1 or 2 pieces of cashew, and if you want to gain the weight, you can add 4 to 5 pieces. Cashew contains good fat, so when you are in the weight gain procedure, definitely you should add this. So our first procedure, dry roasting the cashew and oats, it's done. Let's move towards the next step. तो पहला ingredient इसमें जाएगा dry roasted oats, which is containing high fiber, good fat and protein, as I have told earlier. So it is very good for weight loss. Next ingredient will be cashew. Based on your body's requirement, you can add a few cashew if you want to lose weight and more to gain weight. Next ingredient will be almonds. So again, this is a good fat and you can add based on your requirement, whether you want to lose weight or you want to gain weight. Next ingredient will be dates, which is very good for maintaining the hemoglobin and iron level in your body. So you can add as per your how much sweet you want. Next ingredient will be banana, which is good source of potassium and fiber. So based on your requirement, you can add honey to avoid sugar. Next will be unsweetened cocoa powder. So do not add this much, since it will be bitter in taste, but very good for a person with anxiety, depression and for stress relieving. I'm adding here 1/3 of tablespoon for 5 glasses of smoothie. So based on your taste, you can add. Next will be a milk. So based on your requirement, you can add either skim milk for losing a weight or full fat milk for gaining the weight. And if you want to lose weight, even you can add water also instead of milk. Next will be chia seeds, which is having lot more benefits, especially it makes your body cool in the summer season, and there are lot more benefits. Now let's blend all the ingredient. So lastly, let us add all the remaining chia seeds, and we should be getting this thick creamy consistency. And if you want to make it thin paste, you can add little water or milk based on your requirement. So our smoothie is ready to serve. Let us garnish with the 3 different layers. First is smoothie. Next we will go towards adding a few dry fruits, that is cashew and almonds, so that you will get that crunchy taste in your mouth. Next we will add again smoothie, and we will garnish with some of the cashew, almonds and dates. So our smoothie is ready to serve. This smoothie contains all the ingredients which is useful for maintaining your body cool in a summer season, since it contains a banana, especially chia seeds, dry fruits, milk, which is all beneficial in summer season.